Huwag lang umulan. Sana huwag na umulan. Yun lang naman. Lord, bigay mo na sa akin today. Pagbigyan mo na ako, Lord. Promise. Mapakabait na ako. Di ako magmumura. Bakit ka na?
Watching the
Hindi
video
niwala.
that you sent me,
Kaya umulan.
the one where you're showering with wet hair dripping. You know that I'm obsessed with your body, but it's the
Thank you, God, for this day. Maulan man, pero blessing ito sa amin. Ang tagal kong hinintay to. Pangarap ko to. Pangarap ng mama ko to para sa akin. Ang may magmahal sa akin ng ganito. Sa wakas, tayo naman.
though we don't need to say to each other it's sweet. Knowing that I love you and running
Sa dami nating pinagdaanan, andyan ang mga anak natin.
it's so
Patunay na may magandang bunga lahat ng hirap at luha. Ang saya-saya ko ngayon.
video.
Walang kasing saya ang puso ko, Kevin. Ramdam na ramdam ko na kompleto na talaga ako.
Your red lingerie 10 times nightly.
Nawawa na rin ako eh.
You know
Alam mo saan siya nagpo-post? Sa kusina lang. Nag-propose siya. Paglingon ko, may dala ng bouquet of flowers yung pangalawang anak ko, si Matias.
raise your eyes, pull me under. It's so sweet knowing that you love me, though we don't need to say it to each other.
Hey loves, after 13 years, sa wakas tayo naman. Sa dami ng ating nasaksihan, sa wakas dumating na din ang araw na to.
Lovely Ann Ramirez, do you take Kevin Pixon to be your lawfully wedded husband, to share your life openly, standing with him in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow, in hardship and in ease, to cherish and to love forevermore?
Yes, I do. Umulan man o umaraw, sa lahat ng hirap at puro hirap man, at saya kasama mo kami. Thank you for always choosing us. Thank you for being my partner in everything. At sa lahat ng bagay na ginawa mo para sa pamilya natin.
Break my heart for you, and I'll gladly break it. I'll gladly break my heart for you, and I'll gladly break it. I'll gladly break my heart for you. It's so sweet knowing that you love me, though we don't need to.
Dumating man ang panahon na iwan tayo ng mga anak natin. Pilihan nila ang landas nila. Nandito ako, pangako. Kaaway o kabati mo man, hindi kita iiwan.
Running my fingers through your hair, it's so sweet.
Mahal na mahal kita, Kevin. My mortal enemy and my safest place. Worth it ang 13 years of waiting ko. And more happy years as official husband and wife.
Congratulations, LA! Finally, after 13 years!
Congrats, LA and Kev.
Hi Kuya Kat! Hi Ate! I'm so happy for you guys na finally you make it official.
Hi, LA and Kevin. So, finally, after 13 years,
Wala nang wala nang atrasan, no exchange, no return. Asawa na yan. So, forever, forever love sa inyong dalawa.
Salamat sa pagtsatsaga at hindi pagbitaw mo sa atin. Yun lang po.
Parang bitin, Kelvin.